The Japanese particle ga can show the objects of certain emotions and abilities. First, the objects of emotions such as desire, likes, dislikes, fear, and concern can take ga. These emotions are often expressed by adjectives, so you may hear some people explain this ga as expressing the direct object of adjectives. For example, suki and kirai are na adjectives that mean like and dislike, respectively. These adjectives can take ga to show what you like or dislike. おじいちゃんはおばあちゃんが嫌いだ。おじいちゃんはおばあちゃんが嫌いだ。Grandpa hates grandma. In this sentence, grandpa's hate is directed towards grandma as indicated by ga after おばあちゃん。欲しい and the Thai form of verbs can also take ga as they express desire. Tai is a verbal suffix, but it looks and acts like an e adjective. お兄ちゃんは血が欲しい。お兄ちゃんは血が欲しい。My big brother wants blood. The object of desire is indicated by ga. お姉ちゃんは血が飲みたい。お姉ちゃんは血が飲みたい。My big sister wants to drink blood. The direct object of 飲む to drink is marked by ga. It is also possible to use o as in 血を飲みたい。Other emotions, such as fear and concern, can also be expressed by means of ga. 弟は人が怖い。弟は人が怖い。My younger brother is afraid of people. Ga here shows the object of his fear. 妹は弟の精神状態が心配だ。妹は弟の精神状態が心配だ。My younger sister is concerned about my younger brother's mental state. Ga shows the object of her concern. Secondly, ga can also be used with verbs that denote abilities. あの骨の山が見えますか？あの骨の山が見えますか？ Can you see that mountain of bones? Verbs like 見える can see and 聞こえる can hear usually require ga to show the direct object. 悪魔の言葉がわかりますか？悪魔の言葉がわかりますか？ Do you understand the devil's language? わかる is another ability word that usually takes ga. Similarly, 悪魔の言葉が話せますか？悪魔の言葉が話せますか？ Can you speak the devil's language? Some verbs in the potential form can use ga. おばあちゃんは黒魔術ができる。おばあちゃんは黒魔術ができる。Grandma can use black magic. できる and other potential verbs can also take ga. This is the end of today's episode. Stay tuned to learn more about the Japanese particles.